Funk Unveiled, From Roots to Revolution. Funk music, emerging in the mid-1960s, revolutionized the musical landscape with its electrifying energy and distinct style. Rooted in African American communities, its cultural significance extends far beyond mere entertainment. This genre melds soul, jazz, and R&B, creating a powerful means of expression and identity. The genesis of funk can be traced back to the mid-1960s when African American musicians began experimenting with a new, groove-oriented sound. This period marked a transformative era in music, challenging conventional structures and emphasizing the importance of rhythm and feel over melody. James Brown, often hailed as the godfather of funk, played an instrumental role in the genre's development. His pioneering approach, characterized by a strong emphasis on the downbeat and complex rhythmic patterns, laid the foundational elements of funk music. Brown's performances were electrifying, setting the stage for future generations. Funk's key characteristics, rhythmic complexity, a relentless groove, and an emphasis on the downbeat, create its distinctive sound. This genre is a celebration of syncopation, with musicians often playing around the beat to generate a feeling of unstoppable motion. This interplay between instruments creates the genre's signature groove. The bass guitar holds a place of prominence in funk music, providing the genre's backbone with its rhythmic and melodic lines. Iconic bass players, with their innovative techniques, have contributed to the distinctive sound of funk, employing slapping and popping methods to achieve a percussive effect that defines many classic tracks. In the realm of funk, the drum beat is the heartbeat, setting a foundational groove that can't help but compel the body to move. Esteemed drummers like Clyde Stubblefield and Jabo Starks, both of whom collaborated with James Brown, introduced the world to breaks and rhythms that have since become synonymous with the genre. Their mastery over the drum kit emphasized not just rhythm, but a profound sense of timing and dynamics, contributing to funk's unmistakable sound. The guitar in funk music undertakes a role less about melody and more about rhythm, adding to the genre's complex, layered texture. Players like Jimmy Nolan, known for his work with James Brown, crafted a technique of sharp, percussive strumming that became a staple of funk's rhythmic backbone. This approach, often referred to as chicken scratch, brought a new dimension to funk, emphasizing the offbeat and creating a compelling push-and-pull effect within the music. Horn sections, integral to the fabric of funk, provided not just melodic hooks, but also a powerful drive that propelled the music forward. Bands like Earth, Wind and Fire and Tower of Power featured horn sections that delivered intricate arrangements and blasts of energy, defining moments within the songs. These brass and wind instruments added a layer of sophistication, blending harmonies and rhythms that enriched the funk sound. As funk evolved from the late 60s into the 70s, it underwent a transformation, incorporating influences from jazz, psychedelic rock, and soul. This period saw the emergence of bands like Parliament Funkadelic, who took funk to new heights with their elaborate stage shows and concept albums, expanding the genre's creative boundaries. The era was marked by experimentation, both in the studio and on stage, leading to a richer, more diverse soundscape. Funk's lyrical content often carried social and political messages, reflecting the tumultuous era from which it emerged. Songs spoke of struggle, empowerment, and community, serving as a voice for African American experiences. This added depth to the genre, making it not just a source of irresistible grooves, but also a medium for cultural expression and critique. In the midst of a transformative era for music, George Clinton's Parliament Funkadelic Collective, known as P-Funk, emerged as a revolutionary force. Their unique blend of psychedelic rock and funk carved a new path in the genre, transcending traditional boundaries and cultivating a distinct, cosmic funk style that resonated with audiences worldwide. The Meters, hailing from New Orleans, played a pivotal role in shaping the funk sound. With their tight, intricate grooves and a deep understanding of rhythm and blues, they laid the groundwork for future funk endeavors. Their music, characterized by its raw energy and seamless fusion of sounds, became a cornerstone of the funk movement. Sly and the Family Stone further expanded the boundaries of funk by incorporating elements of rock and soul into their music. This fusion not only broadened funk's appeal, but also delivered powerful social messages through their lyrics. Their innovative sound and inclusive band lineup broke cultural and musical barriers, setting new standards for the genre. The 1980s witnessed the rise of synth-funk, a subgenre that embraced electronic instruments and production techniques. This era saw funk evolving with the times, as artists like Prince infused traditional funk rhythms with synthesizers, creating a fresh, vibrant sound that captivated a new generation of listeners. Prince, with his unparalleled musical genius, significantly impacted the funk genre. His ability to blend funk with pop, rock, and R&B, coupled with his flamboyant stage presence and exceptional musicianship, elevated the genre to new heights. Prince's contributions not only reshaped funk music, but also left an indelible mark on the broader musical landscape. In the vibrant tapestry of funk music, female musicians carved a niche that resonated with empowering messages and groundbreaking performances. Their contributions, often overshadowed by their male counterparts, were pivotal in shaping the genre. Artists like Chaka Khan and Betty Davis brought a unique blend of raw energy and soulful melodies, becoming icons of liberation and creativity. Funk's global influence stretched far beyond the American heartland, weaving its rhythms into the fabric of cultures worldwide. From the bustling streets of Rio de Janeiro to the vibrant communities in Lagos, funk music became a universal language of groove and resistance. This global embrace not only diversified the genre, but also enriched it with new sounds and styles. The 90s era witnessed the birth of G-funk, a subgenre that merged funk's infectious beats with the storytelling prowess of hip-hop. Spearheaded by artists like Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg, G-funk dominated the airwaves, introducing a new generation to the funk legacy through a contemporary lens. Amidst the digital revolution, modern funk artists emerged, blending traditional elements with new age sounds. Acts like Bruno Mars and Anderson paid homage to the genre's roots while pushing its boundaries, ensuring that funk continued to thrive in the music industry's ever-evolving landscape. Funk festivals became cultural phenomena, offering a sanctuary for enthusiasts to converge and celebrate the genre's enduring legacy. These gatherings not only spotlighted veteran performers, but also provided a platform for emerging talent, fostering a community bound by an unyielding love for the groove. The instruments of funk music are as distinctive as the genre itself, blending traditional rhythm sections with a powerful brass ensemble. Bass guitars provide the foundational groove, while electric guitars add crisp, rhythmic accents. Drum kits, congas, and keyboards create a rich tapestry of sound, punctuated by the vibrant blasts of trumpets, saxophones, and trombones. This unique instrumentation not only defines the sonic landscape of funk, but also showcases the virtuosity of its musicians. Funk's essential albums serve as oral textbooks for anyone seeking to understand the genre's depth and diversity. Classics like James Brown's Live at the Apollo and Parliament Funkadelic's Mothership Connection not only capture the explosive energy of funk, but also its innovative spirit. These records, among others, are pivotal in charting the evolution of funk, offering a window into the soul of a movement that continues to influence countless artists and genres. Dance styles influenced by funk music are characterized by their energetic, syncopated movements, which mirror the genre's emphasis on groove and rhythm. From the popping and locking of breakdancing to the smooth slides of the electric boogaloo, these dance forms have become synonymous with funk's cultural legacy. They not only celebrate the music's infectious beat, but also its ability to bring people together in joyful expression. Understanding the language of funk is crucial for anyone delving into its rich cultural tapestry. Terms like groove and jam transcend their dictionary definitions, encapsulating the essence of what it means to feel the music. Funk itself, once a term for a strong odor, now symbolizes a musical genre that embodies passion, resilience, and soul, reflecting the transformative power of funk's vernacular. Sampling funk music has become a staple in various contemporary genres, notably in hip-hop and electronic music. The unmistakable grooves and breaks of funk records provide a fertile ground for producers looking to inject a sense of timeless energy into their tracks. This practice not only pays homage to funk's legacy, but also ensures its influence endures, bridging generations of listeners and creators. Funk's vibrant energy and unmistakable groove have transcended the boundaries of music, making notable appearances in film and television. This genre's infectious rhythms and soulful vibes have provided the perfect backdrop for scenes, encapsulating moments of triumph, struggle, and celebration, thereby etching its signature sound into the fabric of popular culture. The business of funk has been a dynamic landscape, shaped by visionary record labels and producers who recognize the genre's potential to resonate deeply with audiences. These industry pioneers played a crucial role in bringing the raw, unfiltered essence of funk to the forefront of the music scene, crafting hits that have stood the test of time. Educational resources for learning funk have become increasingly accessible, allowing enthusiasts to delve into the rich history and technical intricacies of the genre. From comprehensive books and online courses to dedicated websites, these platforms offer valuable insights into the artistry that defines funk, fostering a new generation of musicians and fans. The recognition of funk's contribution to music has been celebrated through various awards and accolades, highlighting the genre's enduring influence and innovation. These honors not only acknowledge the legendary figures who have shaped funk, but also inspire upcoming artists to explore and push the boundaries of this dynamic musical style. Funk fashion, with its bold colors, flamboyant styles, and statement pieces, mirrored the genre's audacious spirit and originality. This distinctive style became more than just a trend. It was a visual representation of funk's essence, celebrating individuality and the unapologetic expression of freedom, thereby leaving a lasting impact on fashion. The psychology of funk music, deeply rooted in the vibrant cultural landscape of the 1960s and 70s, has always held a unique sway over its listeners. Its rhythmic complexities and infectious grooves not only moved bodies on the dance floor, but also stirred souls, creating a visceral connection that transcended mere auditory experience. This genre, emerging amid social upheaval, offered an escape, a form of resistance, and a profound sense of community. It was this psychological impact that cemented funk's place in the hearts of those who lived through its inception and continues to enchant new generations. As technology evolved, so did the soundscapes of funk music. The advent of synthesizers and drum machines in the late 20th century introduced a new dimension to the genre, transforming its acoustic origins into something more futuristic. This technological shift was not merely a change in instrumentation, but a testament to funk's adaptability and enduring relevance. Artists leveraged these tools to expand the genre's boundaries, ensuring its survival in the digital age. The digital era ushered in unprecedented access to funk music, with online streaming services and communities bringing global audiences closer to the genre than ever before. This accessibility has fostered a resurgence of interest in funk, connecting enthusiasts across the world and inspiring a new wave of musicians. The internet has become a crucial platform for the discovery, preservation, and continuation of funk's rich legacy. Funk's influence has always extended beyond its own genre, weaving its rhythms and sensibilities into the fabric of other musical styles. Collaborations between funk musicians and artists from genres as diverse as rock, hip-hop, and jazz have resulted in groundbreaking music that defies categorization. These collaborations highlight funk's versatility and its role as a musical lingua franca, capable of bringing disparate sounds and cultures together in harmony. The preservation of funk history is vital to understanding the cultural and musical landscapes of past decades. Museums and archives dedicated to the genre serve as custodians of its legacy, offering insights into its origins, evolution, and impact. Through exhibitions and educational programs, they ensure that the story of funk is not forgotten, celebrating its contributions to music and society. They stand as testaments to the power of funk, not just as a genre, but as a movement that continues to inspire and influence. The preservation of funk history is a testament to the genre's deep-rooted cultural impact, with museums and archives dedicated to safeguarding its legacy. These institutions serve as custodians of the vibrant history and rich heritage of funk, offering a window into the past for future generations to explore and appreciate. Understanding the intricacies of funk music theory is essential for appreciating its complexity and innovation. This theory delves into the genre's unique rhythms, harmonies, and structures, illuminating how funk musicians craft their distinctive sound. It's a study that enriches one's appreciation for the genre, revealing the genius behind the groove. The advent of technology has democratized the creation of funk music, empowering aspiring artists with the tools to experiment and produce their own tracks. Tips for beginners are now widely accessible, encouraging a new wave of musicians to explore and contribute to the genre's evolving landscape. As we gaze into the future of funk, it's clear that the genre is far from static. Emerging artists continue to push the boundaries, infusing new sounds and influences into the classic funk formula. This constant evolution keeps the genre fresh and relevant, ensuring its place in the musical tapestry for years to come. In conclusion, the journey through funk's history, theory, and its ongoing evolution underscores the genre's enduring appeal. For those eager to dive deeper into the world of funk, subscribing to resources like Music Educator on YouTube offers a gateway to further exploration and discovery, enriching one's understanding and appreciation of this vibrant musical landscape.